about to go to school and it's my last day of school before half term. And I don't know in America if they have half term, but it's just like a week off. And your terms are split into half terms. So yeah, I have a week off. I go back next Monday, I think. But I have a lot of things in this half term, so I'm going to be vlogging it as like a HALLOWEEK vlog, because Halloween is in a week, next Friday, which I'm really excited about. That means summer's coming.
Absolutely not.
That means summer's coming.
Wait, I'm gonna film it with my face.
And then I was like, oh, why are you... We got our little square. We've got these... Oh, I do hate some more. Fizzy rainbow bells. I don't want to be the only one doing it.
Sour patch.
Oh, you do that. Delicious Fox cookies.
Haribo. Strawberry laces.
And the best of all, Doritos.
Wait.
Tasty.
Let's get paints. I like orange. Guys, does people want to come and get paints? And
Watch out, Amelia.
I'm coming. Hiya!
Let's do the video in the
Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. It's better than yours, I can teach you. But I have to. That's wrong, we need to again. Ready? Guys, teach you guys. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. You're talking in frame. You're gonna teach you. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. And I'm like, it's better than yours, I can teach you. But I have to charge my milkshake. Do you guys know this one? La 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 la.
I got eyebrow piercing and a nose piercing.
Sure.
Why's my flash on?
Yours is nearly ready. I just didn't want to burn it, you know.
Guys.
Wait, move back there.
Guys, why are you spinning?
Don't let the head go on.
3, 2, 1.
In the corner.
3, 2, 1.
That also.
Go.
That was rubbish. Right, 3, 2, 1. Go more forward. No, it doesn't matter. Wait, this way.
I'm falling over.
No, this is a weird way. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was better.
Not weird.
My back.
Oh no.
Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. What accent? I don't even know any right. 3, 2, 1.
We're trying to pull it down.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, did you get hot all of a sudden? I go skipping down all day. Emily, you went flying. Yeah.
Yeah, Amelia, pick. Do they have jam in?
No, they don't have. Look, here, they have chocolate in. Which one do you? I think I want to get one of these ones.
Same.
That one. Right. So, my makeup is eating.
Start on the campaign for Glennis, just a chance to
No, you're not. Is that a threat, Lily?
Okay, stop. So she stuck the nails on. I think they're beautiful. Look at my nails. I have one empty hand and then 4 on one. Now, we're going to trim them into the almond size. And we're going to put the nail varnish on. Okay.
Okay, this is the finished product.
It starts at 6.
Exactly. We should have never brought her here. So you just wanted to leave her out in that storm? Yes, we went out to find.
Two armies, so a natural disaster or an accident. So very nice. A massacre. A massacre was something like a deliberate and brutal killing of many people, often on our species of orphans. Rosie, what is that accent? Do you have a capacity? My capacity didn't work. Ow! Is it because you don't have any bad boy lessons? No. I can lend you an actual drum lesson. No, I don't want anyone listen. I'm tired. Oh, have you got more energy? No. Have you got any more energy? Well, you can sit, I'll teach you. Okay. I just don't want you scrolling.
So we're going to actually be told by Olive now. Let's go see it.
Right, you need to get us one back and my turkey.
No, I'm already sat down. Yeah, but miss, I'm summarising it. Meeting with summarising skills.
Come on, read it.
No, I don't want to.
Read, or it's a sequel.
What's a sequel?
Read it. You get to sit back up and up.
Okay, I guess I'll go on this. Rather do it than your boring class. Let's go.
No, stop.
No, what is doing? You're in. Why is Taylor Swift playing?
Right.
They were the squishies. Yeah. I got the squishies.
Field in Manchester.
Mission successful.
Right, I'm just.
Greater political representation.
Bro, stop filming.
Not.
The meeting brought together an estimated 60,000 people from surrounding towns and villages.
Oh my god!
Many of whom marched on the 16th of August, 1819, to relatively peaceful and dressed in their Sunday best.
That was so sad.
Women and children attended the rally.
Doing a marathon, remember?
Wait a sec. Wait a sec.
Norla Harms.
Right, are you at the very start?
Very start.
Right, very? Let me see. Show
No.
me your screen.
It keeps doing that. There.
Show me your screen. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I think we did it so off.
But oh well. Be around the same time. It's not bad.
The first thing you need to know is that my mother named me Enola. She insisted on it, in fact.
Boom! Oh, it's not that bad.
Baking with Rosie and Olive. I'm scared.
Yeah, got it. I still want to eat these.
So you peel them cracks. Hang on.
What do you mean?
Oh, look, it's coming out. It's coming out.
Unexpected.
I got the dough.
Wow. It says unroll the dough and follow the perforations. It's not ready.
I'm not sure.
It off, doesn't it? Olive, when it's ready.
Yeah.
This is the before. After. Okay, so I got back from my friend's house like half an hour ago and I just had some lunch. Please ignore the state of me and of my hair. But I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair and everything. And then I'm going to play Roblox with my sister. I did show this in earlier, but how many else my friend did? They're just stick-ons, but she painted them on. Hopefully they'll last for like the half term. But yeah, we're just chilling today, and at 7, well, it's 6:15, we're going to my granny's house because we're staying there tonight. Because they just got back from Iceland because they're for a wedding. I was meant to go, but we didn't go because it was going to be very boring and cold for me and Lily. But I wish we went because they went in hot springs and everything. Anyways, I'm gonna get in the shower now. Rose Bridge.
Sorry, what are you saying? It's a hotel.
What, Lily? I-D. Oh. I didn't realise how bad I looked, but I woke up like 20 minutes ago. Well, it was a bit more than that, but I fully woke up 20 minutes ago. And I'm going to start getting ready. I didn't really film anything yesterday because it was kind of just a chill day. But today we're going on a walk at Bolton Abbey. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, we're just going on a walk and then we're coming back. And we're going to make some cards for family members to be prepared because we're not very good at that, me and my sister. And then we're just chilling until my dad picks me up. So it's kind of a chill day. We're only really doing the walk. But yeah. Okay, so I just did my hair and my makeup. I'm find some good lighting. And I'm going to get changed, but I don't know what I'm going to wear. I was going to wear this, but I don't really know anymore. I think I'm going to put it on with my black joggers that I wore yesterday and just see how it looks. But I don't know what I'm going to wear for my jumper, because I want it to be like cozy and autumny, but still like not cold. I don't want it to keep me warm. So we'll see. Okay, so I actually do think I'm going to wear this. Just done up here. I don't know what you can see, but this top is from New Look, and then these joggers are also from New Look, I think. Yeah, I think. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to wear as a jumper or as a coat, because I'm getting a new winter coat and it's not here obviously. So I've got my other coat and it doesn't really keep me warm and it's ugly, so I don't really want to wear that, but we'll see. Or maybe Kitty's about to eat you, Lily. I had a connection problem. I remember I was talking about wedding photography when I passed here before. And pumpkin trail. And but it's the season of sticks. Right. Broken, so I think I need a new one.
Look at mine. Look at the back of mine.
Oh. Lily has a Samsung something. It's my dad's old one.
I've got my dad's one.
Well then who's B, because you've told me about this girl before.
X subtract Z is 50.
And she's my maths teacher this year.
I just stick phones really easy.
Your phone?
Yes. And you want to be on your phone as much as you want inside your tents.
We are, when I go residentials, I'm not allowed to go on my phone.
And I was, and it was when I so you find out.
milk chocolate. Ready?
It tastes okay, no?
No, but I can taste the salt.
It tastes like black lava salt.
You don't know what it tastes like.
It tastes like a volcano.
Also, can I look what's in the fridge?
Whoops. I couldn't even see my hair. Okay, so it's currently like Wednesday midday. I think it's 1, but I didn't really film anything yesterday because we just had a chill day all day at home. And today I did think I am going to like put some little clips, just not my full solos. But I filmed my solos to submit to the Dance World Cup this morning with my dad. But my dad's been feeling a bit sick and we were meant to go to Bury. But obviously my dad's sick, so he's in his bed, so we're not going to Bury. But we're going to my mum's at around 3 or 4. So I'm going to put something to watch on, and I'm going to clean my room because it's a bit of a mess. Just a little bit. But yeah, and then I might do some stretching and stuff. And we're just chilling today, just like yesterday. And then tomorrow I'm doing something with my mum. I don't know what we're doing, but we're going now. That's all I know. So I just got ready and I did my makeup and my hair and everything. So it's like that, but oh well. But basically what happened yesterday, I didn't explain what happened. Our mum was meant to pick us up at 3, but her car broke down. Well, it didn't break down. It got a screw in the tyre and the tyre popped. So she couldn't pick us up. So she was waiting in her car for about 2 hours waiting for the guy to come. And the guy did come, but she needs to bring it to the garage, which is what we're doing today. So we didn't have any food or anything. And she walked back from there to her house here. And And so our dad had to take us to our mum's house, but my dad was a bit sick, so that wasn't very good. Yeah, he took us here, and then we walked to a restaurant down the road, Nino's, and we ate there since we didn't have any food, which was actually really fun, and I did enjoy it. But today, she can drive her car, like pump up the tire and drive it a bit, it'll just deflate. So we're going to drive it to Bury to the garage so that they can give her a new tyre. And then we're going to go get a drink, and we're going to do a bit of shopping in Bury, the Rock, because I need to get a new coat because my coat's hideous. My old winter one, and my like, raincoat. So yeah, I need a new coat. I'm running out some of my makeup, so I might get a super jog. And yeah, we're just going to have a look around the shops and stuff, and then we're going to pick up a car, I think. I don't know. But we were going to go to this Wallace and Gromit, like, what's it called, like, museum, I think it is, where it basically shows all of the models that they use for Wallace and Gromit. So we don't know if we'll still be able to go to that, but we're going to try. Well, if we can't, then we can't. But yeah. Okay, so I've got changed. I'll flip you around to have a look in my outfit in the mirror in a sec. We're going to set off soon. Keep my mind going. Don't say when you're sitting in, you have to get takeaway cups. Well, it's in my pocket now, so. Okay, so I'm going to give you a haul of everything I got. This is the coat I got that I needed to get. It's from M&S. It's like a really nice waterproof material. It's just like a cropped puffer jacket. And then I got some flares from Primark. Just like the stretchy fabric. And then we went to Waterstones and I got this book called The Naturals, which I've seen on TikTok. And then from Boots, I got a Bubble Slam Dunk Moisturiser. I have got this before, but it ran out, so I got it again. But I'm going to take this out. But yeah. Oh, still a little pump. Oh, here we go. Use that later. And then from Superdrug, I got two e.l.f. things. I got the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer because I ran out of my small one. It's June. Ow. But I got the big version this time. This one's with a lid. Like, you squirt it. I'm not going to squirt it now because I'm going to take my makeup off in a sec. And then I got the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. It's like the contour, the bronzer contour. I got the Fair to Light shade. I tried to use the testers, but they were crazy, so hopefully it's the right shade. Okay, just like this, and then it's got the pillow applicator. They're very soft. Obviously, I have to squirt it out. Is that everything I got? Yeah, that's everything I got. Okay, so we're at the gym now. I don't think maybe it's 10 live, but I did my makeup and I used my bronzer thing. I think maybe it's made me look really tan, but my makeup's kind of easy today. I just sound super. I have got a hot chocolate that we made, but there's no milk here, so it's just like, it's like powder and hot water. I didn't think it'll be anybody. Anytime I slip it. So I've got a lot of episodes of This Is My Turn Pretty downloaded, and me and my sister can play Roblox. I've also got one of the books, well, I need one, the book that I got at Waterstones yesterday to read. I started reading it last night. It's good so far, but I'm only on chapter 3, so I think I'm going to read that for a bit. I actually want to, that's the timer, I don't know what the time is, but yeah, I know how long it's this class, so I think I'm going to read that and then play Roblox for a bit. Oh, I'm also on my new flares, which I didn't show you them on me. They're quite actually nice, they're a bit short, but we have to get them anyway, so we need them for my dance exam in December, I think. But yeah, so I needed them anyway, so I have to get them. Yeah, I'll change for a bit. No, I just, it's always... you going in? Yeah, it is. That's really cool. Got Oscar around.
Whatever you do, don't fall asleep.
Darkness falls across the land.
Bitch, I want your head in a jar on my nightstand. Draco on my side, blade in my mouth, block in my right hand.
Wait, this is coming off. No, I hate being
I
tall.
know you wanted a fresh litter, but you're taking the one off.
There's a policeman chasing him. Where are the dogs?
We got things in the package.
It's been a few weeks since it's been half term, and it has taken me a while to edit this video, but I hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of a long one. I did film a lot and I did do a lot, but make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.